Alright guys, welcome back. A little while ago I made a video on how to take and put the rear brakes on a Jeep Renegade into service mode, but I didn't show you how to compress the calipers, and so now I got Jeep Cherokee in here, and I figured I'd just go ahead and show you guys the same process pretty much on a Jeep Cherokee. So first thing you're going to want to do is go into the radio right here where it says settings, press settings, and then you'll go to brakes and then service mode. And once you hit service mode, it'll ask you if you want to retract the brake calipers, and you press yes, and then you can hear the brake calipers actually retracting. And then once they're retracted all the way, you can turn the ignition off, and then you can go compress the brake calipers as normal brake caliper. So we'll go ahead and get out there and go compress the calipers. Alright, once we get here, you can unbolt the caliper and do this one-handed. I'll flip it up here. There we go. There, it'll sit right there. But you see it looks like the style that you would normally thread in, but you don't have to. So you can, I got this fancy little tool here. See if I can do this one-handed. But yeah, once you get it, all you gotta do is compress it. So you can use a C-clamp or screwdriver or whatever you normally use just on like normal brakes. You can just shove it right back in there. So it's pretty simple once you go ahead and do the service mode. And then, like I said, once you do that, then all you gotta do is go back in and take it out of service mode by going in and setting the parking brake. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. Oh, and that's the other thing. When you do these brakes, it's just a 10mm on these, but then back here, I believe it is a T50 or 55 Torx bit that you need to use. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get these changed out, and then I'll show you how to take it back out of service mode. Alright, so we're back in the vehicle now. I've got the brakes on, and basically to get it out of service mode, all you got to do is set the parking brake. So we'll set the parking brake, and you listen for it, and then it'll tell you when it's done. There you go. So that's all there is to doing it. It's, like I said, once you get the electronic parking brakes set up, then it's pretty much just like doing a regular brake job. So I hope that video was helpful, and thanks for checking out the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.